Hi everyone, it's Trish and welcome back to my channel, Trish's Healthy Appetite. Today, my husband Rick and I are going to show you how to make this vegan country-style French bread loaf in a bread maker. Our French bread loaf recipe is oil-free and makes a bread that is fluffy and chewy on the inside with a crispy crust on the outside. This recipe only uses 6 ingredients and the bread maker does all the work for you. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. We use this Oster bread maker to make all of our breads. We love it because it's compact, yet it still makes standard size bread loaves. When using a bread maker, it is important to add the ingredients in the order that is listed. Otherwise, the bread will not develop correctly. First, we're going to add 1 3/8 cup of water, 1 1/2 tablespoons of applesauce, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 4 cups of bread flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. Then you're going to make an indentation with your finger in the top of the ingredients, and this is where you're going to place 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Then you're just going to close the lid and set the menu to menu number 2, which is for the French bread. And you want to make sure that you use the medium crust color. Then just hit start. In the next few clips, you will see the stages done by the bread maker. The whole process takes about 3 hours, but you don't have to pay attention to it. And voila, here is a delicious loaf of country-style French bread. We make this bread every week and have a slice with soup, curries, and of course we use it to make sandwiches. This bread will keep for about 7 to 10 days on your countertop and maybe a little bit longer if it's kept in your refrigerator. I've included the list of the ingredients and the equipment used in the description box below. If you try out the recipe, tag me on Instagram at Trish's Healthy. Also, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that red button below so that you could subscribe and be the first to check out my new recipes. I upload new vegan recipe videos every week, and I also post a vlog every Sunday so you can see how we live our vegan life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you.